Today is 1st January, the first day of the new year 2025. I thought of starting the new year by visiting a holy place which is overflowing with the air of peace, harmony, compassion and selfless service. So I started my day with a visit to Ramakrishna Math and Mission, Khar West, Mumbai, which is a sacred place whose spiritual atmosphere has been strengthened by continuous worship and meditation over 100 years. The significance of Ramakrishna Math and Mission Mumbai is 1. To provide solace to hundreds of individuals who seek inner peace beyond the hustle of daily life, particularly in a busy city like Mumbai. 2. To provide unstinted and dedicated service to the needy in and around the city of Mumbai with the attitude of service to man is worship to God. The Ramakrishna Math and Mission was established in Mumbai in the year 1926, 100 years ago. The motto of Ramakrishna Math and Mission is Atmano Mokshartham Jagat Hitaya Cha, means for one's own salvation and for the welfare of the world, formulated by Swami Vivekananda. Ramakrishna Math and Mission Mumbai has been involved in social service in and around Mumbai in the following categories. Number 1, temple services which offer daily worship, bhajan, arati throughout the year. Regular weekly classes on Sundays and Thursdays take place on Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Sri Ramakrishna Vachanamrita. Also, discourses on spiritual subjects are often held. Number 2, bookstore and library in the temple complex. Bookstore sells books in most of the Indian languages and in English on Ramakrishna Vivekananda Vedanta literature written mainly by monks of this order. Subjects vary from yoga, meditation, self-development, willpower, mind control to Vedanta, Bhakti, Gita and epics. This literature has the power to make an impact on one's life and perhaps change the course of one's destiny. There are also children's books on moral stories and biographies of great leaders. It is a very good idea of buying books from this store and give friends and relatives on different occasions to enrich and strengthen their inner self. There is also a free library and reading room with 50,000 plus books and journals on educational subjects. Number 3, providing scholarship, fellowship to the needy students. Number 4, full day or half day spiritual retreats are organized twice a year for spiritual seekers where monastic speakers are invited from other branches of Ramakrishna Math and Mission to deliver talk on spiritual progress. Number 5, conducting residential youth camps with highlights on Vivekananda for youth, yoga and meditation, motivational session with monks, interaction with eminent personalities followed by questions and answers. Number 6, Ramakrishna Mission Hospital in Khar West, Mumbai. This is a charitable dispensary and hospital with 70 beds and 12 ICU beds, which is very popular with less well-to-do residents of Mumbai and around. All types of treatments ranging from dialysis, surgeries, neurosurgeries offered here. OPD consultation is available at the rate of rupees 200 or 300 for 15 days duration. Many eminent doctors of Mumbai work here on honorary basis. Number 7, welfare services at Palghar, which is at a distance of about 100 kilometers from Mumbai. Welfare services include supply of clean drinking water to every household, tailoring schools for women, conducting value education system for the children in village, conducting regular health camps and distribution of nutritious and hygienic products in the village. Number 8, there is Ma Sharada Bhavan in the temple complex to accommodate devotees who come to Mumbai on medical grounds and mostly they are cancer patients. The first Ramakrishna Math and Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda at Belur Math, Kolkata in the year of 1897. Swami Vivekananda was the chief disciple of Sri Ramakrishna, who was the great 19th century saint from Bengal. He is regarded as the prophet of modern age. After the passing of Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sharada Devi, who was the spiritual consort of Sri Ramakrishna, led the Sangha of monks trained by Sri Ramakrishna and guided them in time of need. She was the universal mother with boundless love and compassion, embraced all people without any distinction, including many who had lived sinful lives. They are called together the Holy Trio, and this picture is worshipped in all Ramakrishna Math and missions all over the world. Today, there are 221 branch centers of Ramakrishna Math and Mission, 167 in India and 23 in other countries. The monks and lay devotees of the Math and Mission since then have been serving millions of men, women, and children without any distinction of caste, religion, or race, as they see the living God in them. Sri Ramakrishna gave the message of universality, as many faiths, as many paths. Sri Ramakrishna worshipped and realized God in many forms, each time to the exclusion of all else, leading to the recognition that the outcome of all paths, however different they may be from one another, is the same universal one. The paintings on all the walls of the temple of Sri Ramakrishna depicts this message, which is also the fabric of our great nation. The emblem of Ramakrishna Mission is very interesting, created by Swami Vivekananda himself. The wavy waters in the picture is symbolic of karma. The lotus is symbolic of bhakti. The rising sun is jnana. The encircling serpent is indication of yoga and awakened Kundalini Shakti. Swan stands for Paramatman. Ideal of the picture is that by the union of karma, jnana, bhakti and yoga, the vision of Paramatman is obtained. The life is short, the vanities of the world are transient, but they alone live who live for others. Thank you very much for watching and listening. If you like the video, kindly share and subscribe with bell icon. Wish you all a very peaceful 2025. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.